Ever accidentally spent more than you had in your bank account? Yikes, right? We've all been there. And if you've ever bounced a check or had a card declined, you know the feeling of dread that comes with it. But what if I told you there's a bank that doesn't punish you for these little financial missteps? That's right, we're talking about Sofi. But before we dive into the juicy details of their overdraft policies, let's talk about why overdraft fees are such a pain in the neck. Overdraft fees are basically penalties your bank charges when you spend more money than you have in your checking account. These fees can range from a measly $25 to a whopping $35 per occurrence. And here's the kicker, you can get hit with multiple fees in a single day if you have a few transactions bounce. It's like your bank is high-fiving itself every time you make a mistake. So, how does Sofi stack up against these fee-hungry banking giants? Well, let's just say, it's a breath of fresh air. Sofi doesn't charge overdraft fees. Can you believe it? It's like they actually care about their customers' financial well-being. But wait, there's more. Sofi offers something called overdraft coverage. Now, this isn't a free pass to spend recklessly. You need to meet a few requirements, like setting up direct deposit of at least $1,000 per month. But if you do, Sofi will cover up to $50 in overdrafts for you, without charging a fee. It's like having a little safety net. Now, you might be wondering, what's the catch? Well, the catch is that you still need to repay the amount you overdraft. But at least you're not getting slapped with a hefty fee on top of it. And if you're consistent with your direct deposits, you can avoid overdrafts altogether. So, is Sofi the perfect bank? Well, no bank is perfect. But when it comes to overdraft fees, Sofi is definitely ahead of the game. It's a great option for people who are prone to overdrafts or who simply want to avoid those pesky fees. But remember, while Sofi offers a great deal, it's important to manage your finances responsibly. Overdraft protection isn't a license to overspend. The best way to avoid overdrafts is to keep track of your spending, set up budget alerts, and make sure you have enough money in your account to cover your expenses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.